Do you ever open ChatGPT and realize you have far too many conversations, even though many of them were just quick questions or short tests you don't need anymore? If so, you can remove a ChatGPT conversation in just a few clicks. To delete a conversation, open ChatGPT and look at the sidebar on the left where your recent chats are listed. Find the conversation you want to get rid of and hover your mouse over its title. A three-dot menu will appear beside it. Click those three dots, then choose Delete from the menu. ChatGPT will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently erase the conversation. Click Delete one more time to finish. After that, the conversation will disappear from your chat history right away. Just remember that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you won't need the chat again before deleting it. Removing chats from time to time helps keep ChatGPT tidy and makes important conversations easier to find. And that's all there is to it. Your conversation is now gone from ChatGPT. If you want more quick walkthroughs like this, take a look at my other ChatGPT tutorials.